How to change Amazon country settings. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can change the Amazon country settings, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to change Amazon country settings, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and make sure to launch the Amazon application here. Once you launch the Amazon app, let's say you want to change the address to your country or change the country, tap the home option that you can find here, which is the account icon. Once you tap on this icon over there, you'll be able to find your account. Make sure to tap on it. And as you tap on your account over here, you'll be able to see all the sorts of details where you just have to go to the one that says your addresses. Once you click on your addresses over here, you can select your current address, tap on the edit button, and right here you can simply select your country. So over here currently it's set to India. You can just set it to United States or whatever country that you are willing to change to. Tap the save changes option and your country changes will be successfully changed. This way you'll be able to change your country settings on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.